Hi everyone, I'm Paranoid and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing and swatching my Ohuhu acrylic markers that I got at the end of 2024. So let's see what we got in the case. What's included are 30 markers, 2 swatch cards, 1 white and 1 black, and replacement nibs for the round end and fine end sides, and a little useful guide full of useful tips. Let's swatch the markers while I talk. Now these markers are double-sided, so there is a round, wider tip on one end for larger areas to cover, and on the other end is a fine tip, so that you could do more delicate details. There are 15 regular colors, 9 metallic colors, and 6 fluorescent colors. The Ohuhu website says that you can draw on a variety of surfaces, for instance rocks or stones, wood, fabric, ceramic, glass, plastic, paper, canvas, and they say everything in between. So I haven't tested that yet, but I'm going to. Their website also says that they are waterproof or sunproof. I can't comment on the sunproof part. I am in Canada. I'm swatching this on a cloudy day. So I don't know how sunproof they are. I can't prove that. But I do know that acrylic paint, when it dries, it's waterproof. I still have acrylic paint on a pair of pants that I wore to an art class back in college. So yeah, acrylic paint, once it dries, it's permanent. I really liked that there are 2 swatching cards provided so that you could see how the paint is on a white background versus a black background. And since these are paints, you can wait for a layer to dry and then go back over it again for a deeper or brighter effect for that color. One tip I did appreciate Ohuhu saying was that if a color does not perform well on a dark surface, that you could put down a layer of white first before the color you desire, or you could just layer the color you want and then go back over it again. So you'll get a different look, a different effect, depending on what you do. The second tip Ohuhu gave that I appreciate, and I do have to remind myself to do this first, is to use test paper to press the nibs to get the paint flowing, and after you ensure the paint is flowing smoothly, then use the marker on your target paper to avoid masterpieces being damaged by drips. I really appreciate that Ohuhu thinks that I will be doing masterpieces. Of all the markers, my fave of these markers were the metallics, then the regular are second, and finally the neon. So here we have the fully completed swatch card on the white. And the swatch card in black. So you can see the color differences. Some are brighter on the black and some work better on the white. I decided to try the markers on the case as a first test. Now the case does not have a smooth surface. There is some bite to the fabric, so the markers can catch on the surface as you draw or color. I tried a single layer of paint, multiple layers, and also putting down color white first before the main color I wanted. This is just kind of my test paper before I go on to making masterpieces. So stay tuned and join me in the next video when I'm going to try them on something else. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.